Hello everybody, it's Aviation here, and today I will show you how to make your own 3D printed objects for your model airport and more. Let's get started. First, you are going to make the 3D objects. To make the objects, I recommend using Tinkercad. Tinkercad is free and you can find it on your web browser, like Google Chrome or Safari. Once you have got into Tinkercad, you are going to want to click on New Design. Now that you have created a new design, it will look like this. Before you make any objects that you will print, you should measure how big you want it to be once it is printed. Once you have your measurements, you will want to know how big to make it in Tinkercad. Each one of these big squares on the grid is 1 square centimeter, and each of these little squares is 1 square millimeter. You can use the shapes on the right and change their dimensions and join them together to make what you want to make. Everything that you make has to be on the ground and have no overhangs in order to print them. If you are making a wall, it has to be at least 1 millimeter thick, but I would suggest making it at least 2 millimeters thick if you can. Once you finish making your objects and you are ready to print, change the name of the project by clicking on the top left corner of your screen. You should change it because when you export it, you need to be able to find it in your files. After that, you need to export it by clicking on the export button in the top right. I would export it as a .stl file. I don't have a 3D printer yet, so I don't know how to get the files to the 3D printer. I'm sure there are heaps of videos on how to do that. I just used a 3D printing service to get mine printed. Just find one in your area if you don't have a 3D printer. That's all of my tips. If you have any further questions, ask me below in the comments. Have a great rest of your day and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.